All right, so folks, I was actually at a small barbecue crawfish bowl event with some friends this weekend. And while I was out there, even though, man, them crawfish, they were lobsters. It was like one of them ones that you literally eat like 5 and you're full. But what I did notice is as the night went on, the mosquitoes, they got a little bit heavier and heavier. Actually, I was getting eaten up, and normally I don't get eaten up that bad. But one thing I figured, I did a small video on my cell phone talking about the differences between surfactants. Well, I have my 2 surfactants here. We have just a few. We try to promote the best as far as our surfactants. But what I wanted to show y'all come along here is that what this does as far as, either your waxy type film that you have on a lot of weeds, which are 90-10, what you see on your left side, that's what we recommend for every application for weed control, anything like that. Now, our Tubbs Magic Stick, which is on the right, we recommend that for all pesticides in outdoor usage. Reason being, I'm going to show y'all now that I can actually zoom in and get y'all a better picture of what both of these products do. Y'all will understand why we truly promote this, because you're going to get more out of the product in which you're using. You're going to get long-term for outside with the Magic Stick. You're going to be able to break that waxy film that is on most weeds on our 90-10 sticker. So I'm just going to go through this and show y'all cardboard. It does a lot like, it kind of mimics a leaf and everything, because it is a paper that can take in some of the material, some of the liquid. So it'll kind of show you how it'll break down that waxy film and allow it to penetrate down to the actual leaflet itself. And then the Magic Stick will actually show you on this how it will coat the whole area. So as we go along, I'll just kind of show y'all what it does. So I'm going to start off with our 90-10 tub sticker. Now this product, like I said, we have it in both stores. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a small drop onto my piece of cardboard. So imagine that, you can see it right there. It's not breaking into the actual cardboard just yet. But as I take a little droplet and add it into that, you'll watch how it starts to run. Automatically it starts to take off and starts to penetrate down. That's allowing that chemical, that herbicide, to get down and allow it to soak into the leaflet. So that's how you're getting out of your product. A lot of times people come in, I mean, it goes the same on, when you're spraying to cut down your weed eating, to cut down on, fence rows, things like that. A lot of times people are like, well, I'll take me some Roundup and I'll go out there and spray. Well, if you're not adding a surfactant, now we do sell Ranger Pro here. It does not need a surfactant. It will do all this without you having to add a surfactant to it. But, some folks, they like their Roundups, erasers, things like that. But those need an actual surfactant so that you're going to get all the worth out of that product that you use. It's just a safe insurance. It's very, very cheap. It really helps out. So that is, and as you can see, it's going to keep on going and going and going. So this is how it works towards your herbicide usage. Now we're going to swap over to our Magic Stick, and we're going to show as far as our pesticide usage. Okay. As you can see in the 90-10 sticker, it did not allow that water to spread very far. It just allowed it to hurry up and penetrate to let the product soak in. Now we're going to look at our Tubbs Magic Stick. Now this right here, this is for all your insecticides. So watch what it does once it hits that water. So the whole point of that is when it lands on a leaf droplet, one leaf droplet gets on there, you can imagine how wide that's spread out, because you can see right there that that is a 1 quart size bottle. So it's spread very far. So you can see that as a small droplet, when it lands on a leaf, it will actually coat, it will keep on going and going and going and going and spreading out that herbicide a lot further than just one leaf droplet would do. Because folks, when you put in these herbicides, they're the same as the water. The surfactant is what allows it to spread. So as you can see the difference in what it'll do as far as coverage, if that was a small leaf, even when it does go on there, and I'll show folks how it does this, if you're on that leaflet and it's just a small drop, let's get that small drop. I want you to see how it will actually go and cover up under. Now you see it's already going, it's still going. Now I'm going to let y'all see how, if it was on a leaflet, how it makes some coverage to the bottom. Okay, so it'll help coat that underside. It'll get it down to it. So that's what you're trying to do, because that is where the insects are hiding, the mosquitoes. So you had our regular surfactant, 90-10, and then our magic stick. So folks, this is where, when y'all come into tubs and y'all are asking us for products that work, the products itself, the label, the herbicide, the pesticide, they're a very good product. But for them to be an outstanding product, to really get the job done in one time, one spray, one done, the surfactants are what plays a big role in that. So I just wanted to show y'all briefly on how this works. If y'all have any questions, feel free to comment, let us know. And we will get back with y'all with more products that we carry. Now these are our products, they're our brand. So like I said, you want the products from the pros, you want the product that lasts, and a product that does the job. We have it here at Tubbs. Thank y'all.